Getting some crab legs. Ooh.
It was these huge crab legs we just had like last week. We're going to get
Yeah,
them
we
again.
did, and we're about to get them again. So stay tuned, cause it's lit. The big ones, baby.
That's it.
We're gonna have to take these, baby. That's it. Take these and find them up. Okay, thank you.
Because he seen it in my eye, I was sad. He seen it in my eye, I was like.
These babies wanna get a. Oh, you like shrimp? Get some mussels. I like mussels. Okay, so no to mussels. Lobster. Yeah, do that.
No, we doing.
You don't like scallops?
This one here.
No, we're not doing too much. You don't never do too much with lobster.
Shit.
I'm screaming up at him. Y'all, something's wrong with him. We need some eggs because we're about to fry it up. So they said to fry it, we need eggs.
And that's another thing. My mama said,
Parsley.
my mama said,
She couldn't say yes.
Nah, for real though.
I'm sorry, we had none.
No, for real though, y'all. My mama said, when you want to fry some chicken, and you want a real
Hold on, let
crispy,
them listen. Get up close. Say it now.
and you want a real crispy,
Yeah.
put some eggs on that shit.
Boom. So we about to crack these open real quick.
You did.
How you do that there? They be like, how you do that there? Baby, show them how you gonna crack that open. Okay. Okay. Wait a minute.
What? Come on. If you don't see him, break that leg, and I'm like, yeah.
No. So we just figured out, because we a little slow, you know, that we cannot do it uncooked. So we gonna have to, right, baby, put it in the oven, and then boom. So we'll be back. So I have it all ready to go. I'm about to dump the first one in there.
Did you dip it in the egg?
Yeah. So I'm about to dump the first piece, y'all. Woo! Look, y'all. What? Hold on. Let's just do this thumbnail first.
Oh.
Okay, we're on live, y'all. So make sure to follow us at meant2be_KL. And also, I'm going to leave our personal Instagrams down below as well. You are now live. There ain't even no filter. I'm talking about that. It's cute, though. We recording.
Oh, dead.
Y'all, you tweaking.
And I made salad, you feel me? Chicken salad. Baby, what are croutons?
Ain't got time for this. AJ.
Don't be
You
trying
gonna
to
eat
treat
this
me on
salad
no
today,
Don't be trying
baby.
to
You
treat
gonna
me
eat
on
this
no
salad
line.
today. Do you hear me?
Ah!
Okay, you are.
Ah, baby, you know my leg hurt.
I'm sorry. Hold on, you said some crouton. You ain't getting no motherfucking crouton. Hold on, wait a minute. That's what I meant to say. Like, we have a lot of videos coming up on our channel, and then also on my channel, I have a lot of videos that I have done. And I know you guys love, what's that video I did? Budget-friendly hairstyle, so I'm doing that soon. I got some stuff coming, y'all. Stay tuned. We gonna come back, but we about to finish this video real quick, y'all. Real quick. And you gonna dust it my way. This is what I'm trying to understand.
Hey, look that.
What's the Instagram people be like? No, the mukbang people, they be like, look at it. Look at the bread. That's how they be talking for it. And then they break it for them. Smoke. And then we're gonna dip it in.
Good job, Maureen.
Okay, y'all. Comment down below and tell us some pranks that you want to see us do on each other, or like ideas. Give us some topics, because I got some pranks up my sleeve and I'm about to do it. You ain't ready. I'll prank you right now. You don't even know. You don't even know.
You mad when you got.
I ain't good got. Because I'm coming out.
Nah.
I'm playing.
Now you mad.
Yeah, because I'm going to get you back. It's okay. Don't worry about it.
She gonna be mad when I get her. You hear me?
No, yeah. But stay tuned. New content coming very soon. Get the merch. Millionaire Hustle, honey. I'm gonna leave the link down below. But what I be saying every video, babe?
Be the best you that you could be. I know it.
Oh, you knew. I be like, what I say? Yeah, that's it. I be like, be the best you that you can be, and always strive for success. And I'll see you guys in what? The next video.
In the next video, y'all.
Bye.
Thank you for your support.